Hey developers, so in this video I am going to show you how you can install Tailwind CSS in a React application using Vite. So before we do anything, just go to nodejs.org and install whatever the latest version is. So after you have installed Node.js, just restart your terminal and you are good to go. So the very first step is to install Vite. So just go to vite.dev and click on get started. So here you have to scroll down a bit and you will find all the JavaScript and TypeScript supported templates. So you just have to copy this command npm create vite at latest. So copy this command and open a terminal window. So let me open a terminal window. So here is my terminal window. Let me zoom in a bit. So here just paste that command npm create vite at latest and press enter. So here it is asking for project name. So let me go with the React Tailwind CSS and press enter. Now it will ask you to select a framework. So we are going with the React. So click on React and we are going to use TypeScript with SWC. So now it says you have to go to that specific folder and run npm install. So cd React Tailwind CSS. And now you have to enter npm space install. So it will start installing all the packages required to run the React application. So after everything has been installed, you will see a confirmation message like this: added 141 packages. Just ignore this warning and let me clear my screen CLS. And now we have to run npm run space dev. And let's make sure our React application is working fine. So it will run on localhost 5173 port. So if I open this port in my browser, as you can see, my React application using Vite is working fine. Now the next step is to install Tailwind CSS. So let's go to tailwindcss.com. As you can see, my current version is 4.1, which is the latest version as of now. So just press on get started. And here you will see using Vite. So in the latest version, the steps are simpler than the previous versions. So you just have to copy this command and we are going to run this command in our terminal. So let me close this and let me paste this command, and it's going to install a Vite plugin for Tailwind CSS. So as you can see, the package has been installed. So let me open the project in VS Code. So enter code space dot and it will open the project in VS Code. Now all we have to do is to check whether we have installed the plugin. So just go to package.json and here you will find the dependency. This is our dependency Tailwind CSS. So now let's go to the documentation. As you can see, the documentation says that you have to add the plugin Tailwind CSS in your config file. So just copy this and go to your code. Just find the vite.config.ts. Let me zoom in. So as you can see, I have the React plugin. Let me add a comma and let me paste that. And we have to also import this statement. So let's import this Tailwind CSS plugin. So now we have a Tailwind CSS plugin. Let me go to the documentation one more time and we have to copy this line, and it says we have to import this line in Tailwind CSS input file. So just go to source and then find index.css and just remove everything from here and paste this line. So after pasting that, just press Ctrl S and now we are going to run the project one more time. So npm run space dev. So now as you can see, the project is running and I have to click and open this project in browser. So as you can see, the project is working fine. Now let me check if my Tailwind CSS is working fine or not. So just to go to main.js and as you can see, we have the app component. Just go to app.tsx and let me remove everything from here. And let me add a heading element h1 and welcome to Tailwind CSS, and let me add class names. So class name text 3XL font bold underline, let's go with that. And let me also change the color of the text, so text red 600, and press Ctrl S. And if I go to browser, so as you can see, the Tailwind CSS is working fine in our project. So we have successfully created a React application using Vite, and we have installed Tailwind CSS plugin in our application, and everything is working fine. So I hope you have learned how you can install Tailwind CSS in a React application using Vite. If you face any problems, just let me know in the comments.